Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special product launch of HYMER Company. From our point of view, the vehicle we are presenting to you today deserves a very special appearance, because this product stands in a class of its own. You will certainly remember the Caravan Salon 2019. Back then, we presented a unique concept vehicle, the HYMER Venture. With this near-series study, we at HYMER showed how we imagine mobile travel to meet the increasing demands of existing and new target groups. The target group for mobile travel is changing and becoming increasingly demanding. And in order to meet the needs and wishes of this high-performance clientele, new and courageous ideas are needed. This is exactly what we have made our claim and have fundamentally rethought caravanning. The reactions have been overwhelming, be it from trade fair visitors, press reports, and social media. And almost daily, we receive inquiries from interested parties. I'm therefore very pleased to be able to tell you today the vision has become reality. The study has become a product ready for serious production. And the Vision Venture concept vehicle has become our latest product innovation, the HYMER Venture S. Our aim was to rethink mobile travel from the very beginning and to exceed the expectations of future target groups. In this way, we were able to transfer almost all ideas from the study to serious production, a real challenge for design, development, and production. The result is a completely new type of motorhome. And this becomes clear at first glance. As an exclusively equipped off-roader for 2 passengers, the Venture S promises freedom without compromise. With a completely new layout concept, we have managed to revolutionize the image of classic camping. On 2 floors, living areas open up that meet the highest demands in terms of comfort, design, and functionality. But there's more behind the modern look. Innovative materials in the Venture S ensure an optimal interplay of function and design. We are particularly proud of the lounge-like rear area with an open view of nature. A special highlight is the unique sun deck. Equally striking is the instant loft, the bedroom above the roofs, which can be opened at the touch of a button. For those who don't just want to travel self-sufficiently but also want to work on the move, the Venture S offers a home office of a special kind. The Venture S would not be a forward-looking off-road van if connectivity on board did not also play a decisive role. But there are more details, a lot more, and Product Manager Dominic Haper will now explain them to you.
Herzlich willkommen von meiner Seite.
Welcome from my side and welcome to the next level of camping. I'm particularly pleased to present the HYMER Venture S to you today. A unique product with great innovations and solutions. Christian Bauer has already mentioned a few. Personally, I think the overall concept is just great. You can see why behind me. For one thing, the pneumatic pop-up roof gives us the option of putting the bedroom on the upper floor. The striking off-road features such as the 18-inch Delta rims and the Raptor paint, but of course also an exterior paint finish that stands out from the crowd. I will now show you what other features the Venture S has to offer. Let's start with the great feeling of space. When you move around in the vehicle, you don't really feel that you're in a 6-meter 40-long motorhome. This is, of course, due to the open rear area here. When you open the tailgate with the sun deck, the living space expands directly to the outside. You get the feeling that you're almost sitting outside in nature. And even with the tailgate closed, you still have a great view through the 180 degrees panoramic window. The seating group is also very nice. You can either sit up, sit while eating, or you can sit down comfortably. You can more or less lie down, or you can relax, read a book, look outside. And if the weather is not ideal, and if you don't want to spend the night upstairs, you can lower the table and make an extra bed. The multifunctional wall offers the possibility of individualization from reading lights to loudspeakers and the projector solution. You can customize the vehicle and rearrange it again and again depending on what you need at that moment. We have also placed particular emphasis on the 4-level lighting concept. With the HYMER Connect app or with the 7-inch display, you can control the lamps individually or store scenarios. We have a dimming function so that you can always create the right lighting experience that you want. An additional highlight is the pendant lamp that you can see here. It can be mounted in different positions. Right now it hangs above the dining table. It can be hung on the rear platform, on the top. You can turn it around for indirect lighting. That's a special highlight because this lamp then creates additional ambience. The kitchen is very nicely integrated into the vehicle, not only because of the ample storage space, but also because of the beautiful materials such as the tiles or the black water taps. And if you need additional working space, you can make an L-shaped kitchen out of it in 2 easy steps and simply extend the work surface. We have also completely rethought the bathroom in the Venture S. In its normal retracted state, it is super compact and does not take up any space and gives you an open feeling of space. If you want to take a shower, you simply pull out the wall, turn it into a floor-level shower, and you can fold the wall around. We used high-quality materials with a real slide feel and bamboo, and put in a small lighting concept, so we can almost call it a small spa area. One of my personal highlights in the vehicle is the staircase. There has never been anything like this in a motorhome. Not only do we create additional storage space underneath and use great materials and have a lighting concept, but above all, you can reach the upper floor of the sleeping area very comfortably, where you can have a penthouse feeling. Who doesn't dream of opening the window in the morning and first seeing a beautiful sunrise? Sure, we have a great striking interior design, but with the pneumatic technology, the main advantages are that we have super insulation. It's soundproofing, and we have a certain darkening effect. And as a small side effect, we can customize the hardness of the mattress by air pressure. We can do that either with the app or with the 7-inch display. The Venture S comes with a tuned self-sufficiency package. We opted for a combination of diesel heater, compressor, fridge, lithium batteries, inverter, solar panel on the roof. Everything you need to have for several days of fun. For me, the Venture S is one of the most amazing and exciting vehicles to come out in a long time. And I look forward to our customers exploring the world and having unique holiday experiences in it.
Vielen Dank, Dominik, für die spannenden Einblicke.
Many thanks, Dominic, for the exciting insights. Here are a few more final pieces of information. The Venture S is an exclusive vehicle of which we only produce a very limited number per year. All press materials with detailed product information can be found in the press section on the HYMER homepage. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the known press contacts. And of course, we would be delighted if you would visit us at the Caravan Salon Dusseldorf in Hall 6 at the weekend. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye and see you soon.